If you are building a digital platform for business, this question matters. Mobile app or web app? Stop guessing and stop wasting money. Before you spend a single dollar, ask yourself these 5 make or break questions. The answers will tell you exactly what to build, mobile or web. Hello, this is Ananya Banerjee, Digital Transformation Strategist and co-founder of Sunyam Software. How users reach you? 96% of users won't download your app on first contact. They will hit your link, open the browser and decide in seconds. No install, no sign up, just instant judgment. You are launching a platform, maybe a job site, ticket booking tool or an e-commerce platform. People don't want to install an app just to see what you do. They click, they explore and then they decide. That's where web app wins because it creates zero friction, no install, no delays. But now flip the scenario. You are building an Uber, Zomato or Blinkit type product. People are moving, they are ordering, they are relying on the system live and browser can't keep up. It's where mobile wins the game. When users are moving, tapping, tracking, you need trust, speed and control in their hands. So here's the real question. Are your users just exploring or are they depending on you in real time? If they're just browsing, go web. If they tap all day, go mobile. Question 2. What's your budget? According to good firms, building a mobile app costs 30 to 40% more than building a web app. And that's just to launch your first version. Let's say your budget is less than $10,000. If your budget doesn't allow you to build a mobile app, don't panic. You can still launch, test and grow with a web app first. Plenty of successful startups did just that. A web app gives you more mileage. You build once and it works across phones, tablets and desktops. No App Store approval, no separate builds for iOS and Android. But some apps aren't meant for browsers. If you are building a cab booking platform, food delivery service or OTT streaming app, you need real-time GPS, offline access, background services and smooth video playback. Only a mobile app can deliver that kind of native performance. Also, mobile means more complexity. Different screen sizes, platform-specific design, frequent OS updates, and often 2 separate builds. So here's the clear takeaway. If you are limited in budget and need to get to market fast, web is your best move. But if your product depends on mobile-first features, prepare to invest. Question 3. How soon to launch? Speed matters because in tech, slow is dead. Web apps are quicker to launch by nature. No App Store reviews, no separate builds. You deploy once and it's live on desktop, tablet and mobile browsers. Mobile apps, they take more steps. You have got platform rules, approval delays, device testing, updates. It all adds up. But here's the thing. Faster isn't always smarter. If your product must live on the phone, don't cut corners just to move first. You will lose users later. So the play is simple. If speed is your edge, web gives you fewer obstacles. If your experience demands mobile, take the time to get it right. Launch fast if you can, but launch smart always. Question 4. How to engage your users? Getting users is hard, keeping them even harder. Mobile apps have the edge here. They sit on your user's home screen, always visible, always one tap away. You get push notifications, deep phone integrations with access to camera, GPS or other sensors, plus background activity even when you are not active. That's real power for engagement. Web apps, no reliable push notifications, no offline access, and they don't live on the home screen like native apps do. But here's the twist, web still wins on convenience. Users don't need to install anything. So what's the conclusion? If you need long-term retention, real-time alerts or deep re-engagement, mobile is your game. If you want quick access, zero friction and faster first-time visits, go web. Getting attention is easy, but keeping it, that's the real game. Question 5. Where do your users live? 88% of Gen Z's mobile time is spent in apps, not browsers. So ask yourself, launching a social app, building a loyalty program for your D2C brand. Your users aren't browsing, they are tapping. They want smooth design, instant response, and notifications that demand attention. Only a mobile app can do that. Now flip it. If your user sits at a desk, marketers, operations team, project managers, web is their workspace. They want big screens, fast switching, no app install drama. Think Notion, Trello, Airtable or Figma. Sure, they have mobile apps, but ask any power user where they work. They will say web every time. Web versus mobile. It's not a rivalry. It's a strategy. Study these 5 questions, understand your audience, match your tech to your use case, and only then make your move. Because the truth is, to scale, to win, to lead, you will need to show up everywhere. Android, iOS, web. That's where your users are, and they expect you to be there. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.